Welcome to the WION podcast. Today, we're diving into some really fascinating new research.
Yeah, it involves some bacteria you've definitely heard of.
Right, like Salmonella and E. coli, the ones usually linked to, food poisoning.
Exactly those. And researchers have found they do something, well, a bit strange. Almost like bacterial vampirism.
Vampirism. Okay, intriguing. What does that actually mean for bacteria?
Well, scientists were wondering for a long time how these bugs actually get from your gut, where they often start, into the bloodstream.
Right, that jump seems like a big step for a microbe.
It is. And it turns out they seem to be actively attracted to something in blood, specifically blood serum.
Blood serum. Why serum?
Well, think about it. Serum is just packed, absolutely packed with nutrients.
Okay, so it's like a five-star meal for them.
Pretty much, yeah. It's got everything they need to thrive and multiply, so finding it gives them a huge advantage.
And are they any good at finding it? Or do they just stumble upon it?
Oh, they're incredibly sensitive. The research shows they can detect unbelievably tiny amounts.
Like how tiny?
We're talking amounts as small as 0.0000000000000000001 milliliters. Just an astonishingly small trace.
Wow. Okay, that's hard to even picture. So how do they zero in on it?
They use a process called chemotaxis. You can think of it like having a chemical sense of smell.
So they smell the serum and swim towards it?
Essentially, yes.
Yeah.
They sense where the concentration is higher and actively move that way.
And how do they actually get into the bloodstream to find it?
That's the key part. It seems they often exploit tiny, tiny breaks or cuts in the lining of the digestive system.
Yeah, so even a near microscopic opening could be a doorway for them.
Precisely. And they've even identified a specific bit of machinery involved, a protein receptor in Salmonella called
TCR.
TCR. It acts like the sensor, the detector that helps them recognize and head towards the serum.
Okay, so let me see if I got this straight. These bacteria, like Salmonella, aren't just passively ending up in the blood.
Doesn't look like it.
They're actively drawn to blood serum because it's such a rich food source, and they can detect incredibly minute traces of it, then use chemotaxis, basically swimming towards it, often getting in through tiny openings in the gut.
You got it. And that TSR protein is a key part of how they sense it, at least in Salmonella.
Really fascinating stuff. Shows there's always more to learn, even about common microbes.
Absolutely.
Well, that's all we have time for on this deep dive. Stay tuned for more such intriguing stories to come.